Ever wondered how the future of healthcare looks for digital nomads? As we step into an era where work is increasingly location independent, more and more people are embracing the digital nomad lifestyle. Yet this freedom brings unique challenges, especially when it comes to healthcare. Traditional healthcare systems are often ill-equipped to cater to the needs of those constantly on the move. Enter AI-powered medical assistance, a revolutionary solution that's reshaping the future of digital nomad healthcare. Imagine having access to top-notch medical advice, irrespective of where you are in the world. Picture a virtual doctor in your pocket, capable of diagnosing symptoms and prescribing treatments in real time. Think about the convenience of having your medical records accessible at a touch, without the need for physical paperwork. This is not just a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. The integration of artificial intelligence in healthcare is transforming the way digital nomads manage their health. Now, imagine the possibilities with AI-powered medical assistance at your fingertips. Meet John, a digital nomad who travels extensively for work. John's office is the world, with his laptop and smartphone serving as his primary tools. His work takes him to all corners of the globe, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil beaches of Bali. But let's imagine for a moment. One day, while in a remote part of Southeast Asia, John wakes up feeling under the weather. He's far from any known healthcare facilities, and even further from anyone who speaks his language fluently. It's a predicament that could have been a nightmare, but John isn't worried. You see, John has an AI-powered medical assistant right at his fingertips. This isn't science fiction, folks, but the new reality for digital nomads like John. He opens the app on his smartphone and inputs his symptoms. The AI, ever so sophisticated, processes this information and quickly provides a preliminary diagnosis. But it doesn't stop there. The AI assistant suggests a course of treatment and even pinpoints the nearest pharmacy where John can collect his medication. It's like having a personal doctor on call anytime, anywhere. Now, the language barrier could have been another hurdle for John, but guess what? This AI assistant is multilingual. It translates all the medical terms and prescriptions into the local language. It even gives John a phonetic breakdown so he can communicate his needs effectively. John's experience isn't unique. In fact, it's becoming the norm for digital nomads around the world. Technology is bridging the gap in healthcare, ensuring that no matter where you are, you're never too far from the medical assistance you need. This is the power of AI in healthcare. It's not just about convenience, but about ensuring that everyone has access to quality healthcare, regardless of location or language barriers. It's about transforming the way we approach health and wellness in the digital age. With AI, John was able to receive immediate healthcare assistance, regardless of where he was. But how exactly does AI-powered medical assistance transform healthcare for digital nomads like John? Well, imagine having a doctor in your pocket, accessible at all hours of the day. That's one of the features of AI-powered medical assistance: round-the-clock access. No matter where you are in the world or what time zone you're in, medical assistance is just a tap away. Another feature that can't be overlooked is multi-language support. Language barriers can often cause confusion and potentially dangerous misunderstandings in medical situations. But AI-powered medical assistants can communicate in multiple languages, making it easier for digital nomads to understand and be understood, no matter where their travels take them. Now let's talk about accurate diagnostics. The AI uses machine learning algorithms to analyze symptoms and medical history, which means it can provide highly accurate diagnostics. And it's not just about identifying what's wrong, it's about offering personalized treatment suggestions. These suggestions are based on vast databases of medical knowledge and tailored to each individual's needs. The benefits of these features are manifold. Immediate healthcare access means no more waiting for appointments or trying to find a local clinic. Reduced language barriers eliminate misunderstandings, and improved treatment outcomes lead to better health and quality of life. AI-powered medical assistance is not just a tool, but a companion for digital nomads on their journey. It's like having a personal medical assistant that speaks your language, understands your health concerns, and is available whenever you need it. It's a game changer, and it's the future of healthcare for digital nomads. The future of healthcare for digital nomads is here and now. Imagine having AI-powered medical assistance at your fingertips, no matter where in the world your wanderlust takes you. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible reality. It's time to rethink healthcare, to make it accessible, adaptable and perfectly tailored to your nomadic lifestyle. So, why wait? Embrace the future of healthcare today. Don't forget to hit the bell notification and subscribe for more insights on digital nomad healthcare.